3 years ago, when I started this channel, I put up a video demonstrating radioactivity, or lack thereof, in handgun sights. And over in the corner of the frame, you might have saw this Geiger counter. This is a Civil Defense issue CDV-457 radiation demonstration unit. And after 3 years, I finally got this thing repaired. I have no electronics repair experience, but I determined that there was a loose connection in this pickle probe. So let's give this a try and see how it's working today. It takes a while to warm up. It uses vacuum tubes. Okay. And that's about right. We went at 940 volts. Just fine. Now, this is a pretty interesting machine here. You can adjust the voltage. So if you wanted to change out the probe to a different type of probe or a different type of Geiger tube, you can adjust the voltage and for your specific application. And it also has a loudspeaker adjustment here, so this can be heard all the way across the room if you had this indoors. Neighbors find out I have radioactive things. But yeah, really awesome. This is a sneak peek to a video that I'm doing here in a couple of weeks. I've been wanting to do this demonstration for quite a while, and now my machine is working. So thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.